Hi, here is a short demo on how to use APPLYORG services to find a supervisor for your postgraduate studies. To register for our website, first visit www.applyorg.com and click on Sign Up and follow steps. Once your account is active, click on Login and enter your login information. Once you have logged in, from Search menu select New Search to do a free search. Your first search is free, but the number of returned results is limited. To do a search, enter your research interests. You may also set the country and university name and rank. It is recommended to use a few keywords and conditions to maximize the number of supervisors returned. Once the search query is set, click on Search to get the results of matched supervisors. You may sort or filter returned results based on different criteria. Click on the heart icon to add a supervisor to your favorite list of supervisors for further investigation. The list of saved searches and saved supervisors can be accessed from Search menu. If you click on Saved Searches, you can see information about all your previous searches. Please note that each search has an expiry date. You can see the result of each search by clicking on Open Search Results. By clicking on Saved Supervisors from Search menu, you can access the list of your favorite supervisors. A supervisor could be deleted from the list by clicking on the heart icon. To do a full search, you first need to buy Search Package from Search menu. A full search will return up to 300 matched supervisors. Choose a package as per your preferences by clicking on Add to Cart. Then follow instruction for payment through PayPal. Once the payment is successfully done, the number of remaining searches will be updated. You can do a full search by selecting New Search from Search menu. You can also see the list of your purchases by clicking Cart from Search menu. You may pay for any unpaid purchase by clicking on Not Paid button. APPLYORG is here to support you with your search endeavors. Please contact us for help with finding information about your future supervisors.